Oh yeah, people, we are back at it again. About to load the Simplex up today, doing the park hunt. Yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, we just arrived over here at the park. Try to find a good spot here that we can scope out some tricky targets. And today we are going to be coming out with the old Simplex action. Alright, we got another signal. Looking like a number 65. So let's investigate this one right about here. What do we got here? No, don't tell me. Nope. Okay, we're still in here. Where? Where are you? Oh, did it fall out? There it is. So we have, looks to be a crusty old penny. Yeah. Shot out. So 65. 65 on this, 65 in the Simplex in the penny range. All right, guys. All right. So it looks like we have another signal here. $25.30. 4 arrows down. Let's check this one out. $25.30. The bane of your existence. Pull tab. Ah. High tone. $90. Hopefully that's something good, man. Been striking out lately. High tone 90 right here. Something good. A 90, man. 90 is a good indicator of either a quarter. Oh, there it is. Jesus, man. Dude, how in the hell would you get by without one of these, dude? Everything looks like straight dirt, just like this. Straight up quarter, look like straight filth. You throw that inside there, dude, you can't even see jack crap. Yeah, dude, pinpointer. Gotta have a good one. Alright, got another tricky signal here. It's showing 77, 78, 86. 80, 76, 80, 7, oh, but it's showing it so deep. So none of these three can find this damn thing. Lift this thing up. All right, where are you at? Good. I don't see nothing. 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 God, you're killing me here. I felt like I hit it though. Let's see. Oh shit, take a look. Do you see this, guys? Look at this. This is what is this, man? A St. Christopher? Does this look like St. Christopher? Protect us. It is a St. Christopher. Look at that. And it has a silver marking on it. St. Christopher. Wow. Yeah. And that was about it says about 5.5 inches. Yeah, about five and a half inches down. So Simplex was able to hit this 5.5 inches down. Nice. After all the trash we've dug up so far, this is a nice little thing to get, man. I like it. All right, on to the next. All right, 3639 right here. Let's check it out. $36.39, huh? Very interesting. Let me see if they can fool the old Desert Ninja. $36.39 in the plug. What is it? What is that? Dude! Again! Oh, dude, I hope the daylight is still good because it's dark as hell where I'm at. But I'm looking down on the park down there, everybody's still playing volleyball, which is pretty good. So probably still got another 30 minutes or so. You know what? I'm tired of pulling up 30s, man. Every time I pull a 30, it's one of those damn trashy bottle caps. Ooh, 44? 44.56, 44.56, 49. Dude, this has got to be a penny again. Pennies fire up in all kinds of ranges. Look, man, I would walk away from this, man, because I already know that it should be a penny, and I don't like digging those crusty pennies out. But so it's right here. Let's take a look. Let's see here. All right, so it's claiming right here. Definitely in the plug. Right here somewhere. Yeah. And what was it? There it was, guys. I was gonna walk away from this. This is exactly what I thought it was gonna be. The penny signal. So cherry picking, guys, I would have walked away from that signal. Anything in that range, you know, the pennies have a way of just, no matter how you like to try to notch these things out, you can't discriminate the pennies out, man, especially if they're the zinc ones, because with a little bit of mineralization and corrosion, they will fire off as any other number. It's like dig it all with these guys. You're gonna constantly find that crap. So anyways, I think we got time for probably 2 more targets before the daylight actually makes us go into night mode. Yeah. So let's just see if we got anything else close by. Oh, dude. 66, man. It's a bad number. 57. Tell you what, let me go ahead and switch to let's turn this light on so you can see what's happening. All right. 55, 60, 60, man. 60, and it's telling me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arrows down. Oh god, I don't want to dig that deep. Yeah, but we're running out of daylight, so we got to do what we got to do. Nothing on the Garrett. All right, man, here we go again. Tek-Point finds it right there. Sometimes this Garrett likes to turn itself on, other times it don't. Can the XP find it there? What? XP cannot find it? Dude. I don't know, dude. Now look at this, man. We're right in the same spot, and now the Garrett does not want to find it. Man, this is frustrating. I swear to you, right there. Then we'll just do the Tek-Point. Tek-Point says it's right there. See how frustrating that is, man? Three different pinpointers. I can rely on the Tek-Point to go as deep as possible. Anyways, right there. I wish I could get away with those big old shovels those guys in New York and stuff have. Having to dig this crap out by hand really sucks. Oh, dude. Oh, dude, look right here. What is that? Oh, dude. It's like a jewelry box. It's like a silver jewelry box, man. Looks like they put a little bit of that hashish inside this little teeny thing. I don't see no readings on it. Wait a minute. I think I did see it say something on here. Oh yeah, look, it says I know you guys can't read it, but it says faith. Right on the box, on the front there. It says faith. Love, faith. It says dirt. No. Love and faith. Nothing on the back. And hope. Yeah, hope, love, faith. It can't be no drug box if it says all that. Nice. I don't know if it's silver. I'll have to test this thing out later when I get home. But nice little find, dude. So we got this, and we got that St. Christopher relic. Sweet. We're running out of daylight, man. I'm gonna try to hopefully hit one or two more spots here. Hopefully we can find something else. This is a pretty good park for finding stuff that's lost like that. You can see everybody out here playing soccer and crap. You know, this is what happens when you go to a park that has a lot of activity on the ground. Things do get dropped and lost. And I'm here to try to recover some of this crap. All right, my friends. That's gonna about wrap it up here for the evening. From what my eyes can see, it's really dark, but I know that the GoPro probably is showing that it's not that dark. But trust me, it is. So I can't find any more stuff in the ground without using a head torch. So I'm gonna close this all up. I hope you guys enjoyed coming out this evening and spending a little bit of time out here with the old Simplex, running you through the paces. We did find a couple of cool items in there, as you saw today. And that would be, well, not that many cool items, but we do have the religious pendant, the old religious box, a dime, and a quarter. All brought to you by Simplex. Thanks, guys. I'll see you guys again. If you like the video, comment down below, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.